This video will demonstrate how to install the Leviton Decora Smart Anywhere Dimmer Companion or Decora Smart Anywhere Switch Companion. These battery-powered, wire-free devices provide additional control locations when paired to a Decora Smart Wi-Fi second-generation device, such as the new dimmer, switch, or mini plugins. Anywhere companions do not require any wiring. They look right at home with your other Decora Smart Wi-Fi devices and feature similar on-off and dim-bright controls. Plus, the Anywhere companion devices do not require Wi-Fi or an app for setup. Before installing, please refer to the included Getting Started guide and be certain to follow all instructions and diagrams. Installation of Anywhere companions typically does not require interaction with the home's electrical wiring. However, if your project does require electrical work, and you are unsure about any part of the instructions, or if you're not comfortable or familiar with working with electrical wiring, please contact a licensed electrician. Additionally, you can use the support services in the My Leviton app, the Leviton.com support pages, or contact support via dssupport@leviton.com. The processes shown follow general electrical guidelines, however, local codes take precedence. To complete the installation, all you need is a Phillips head screwdriver. The companion must be used with an installed Wi-Fi second-generation device, such as the dimmer, switch, or mini plugins. To get started, choose the location for your Anywhere switch or dimmer companion installation. The companion should be used within 50 feet of the primary Decora Smart Wi-Fi second-generation device controlling the lights. Please note that Anywhere companions are designed to be installed indoors. Transmitting through exterior surfaces, metal wall boxes, or concrete floors may reduce installation distances. Up to 3 Decora Smart Anywhere companions can be paired to a Decora Smart Wi-Fi second-generation dimmer, switch, or plug-in. Anywhere companions are perfect for stairways, long hallways, and open spaces with more than one entrance. The Anywhere companion can be mounted on an existing or retrofit electrical box, or a low-voltage mounting bracket. Or, for a quick and easy installation, you can mount the companion on a wall or flat surface, using drywall anchors with the included screws or adhesive strips. When directly mounting the Anywhere companion on a wall, you can use the included adhesive tape. Place the tape on the reverse side of the companion by aligning the top and bottom pieces of tape with the corner markings molded into the base. Make sure it's oriented correctly using the top marking. Check that it's level, and then press the companion firmly to the wall. When mounting the companion to an electrical box, the companion is not connected to the electrical wiring. If live wires are active in the box, be certain to turn off power at the circuit breaker before installing. If you are replacing an existing switch, an electrician may be needed to ensure your wires are properly secured and connected once the existing switch is removed. Use the electrical box or low-voltage bracket mounting holes and secure using the supplied screws. Tighten the screws until snug, but do not over-tighten. The Anywhere companion comes with coin cell batteries already installed. To activate power, open the face by rotating the frame gently to the left using the hinge. You'll notice 2 pull tabs, one for each battery. Grasp each pull tab by the circular portion and pull up to remove both tabs. This will activate power and put the Anywhere companion in pairing mode. The status LED will begin flashing green. Close the device by rotating the frame gently to the right using the hinge. Press down firmly in the corners until the device snaps closed. To pair the Anywhere companion with its primary Decora Smart Wi-Fi second-generation device, make certain the Anywhere companion's LED is flashing green. For a Decora Smart Wi-Fi second-generation dimmer or switch, press the top rocker 5 times. For a plug-in device, press the control button 5 times. The status LED will flash green and amber to signify the device is in pairing mode. Once paired, the Anywhere companion's status LED will briefly turn solid green to show a successful connection. Once pairing is completed, test control by pressing the Anywhere companion's rocker on and off to toggle the light. If you're using an Anywhere dimmer companion, tap the dimmer bright bar up and down to raise or lower the light level. Install the Wallplate base and snap on the Screwless Wallplate. Please do not use metal wall plates as they may impact wireless range. Now you've completed the installation of your Leviton Decora Smart Anywhere dimmer or switch companion and can enjoy additional wire-free control of your second-generation smart devices. If desired, you can add up to 2 more of your Wi-Fi second-generation smart devices to your primary device. Leviton Decora Smart provides lighting control possibilities for any room or home, now with wire-free control. Learn more at leviton.com/anywhere or email dssupport@leviton.com with any questions.